Gentlemen, this is performance of DJ Army Remix.
Five, four, three,